Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Alma. Join me today as I do another makeup look using this beautiful palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. This is called the Gothic Beach. Check out my previous video before this one because I do my first impression on it and I do create a different look. I'm gonna be using all the colors but not repetitively. I'm gonna be using them in different ways, so check out that other video and stay tuned for this one. And thank you guys so much. Have a great one and stay tuned. I'm just focusing on the eyes today. If you haven't seen my previous video, you should check it out. I do my first impression on this palette right here, the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Gothic Beach palette. It's a really cool palette. Look how beautiful it is. I just want you guys to see it, the names and everything. Okay, so today I wanted to create a different look. I just realized I haven't taken this little tab off, the mirror thingy. I'm gonna take it off. It's official, it's my own. I'm gonna pick up this fluffy brush. This one's by Eco Tools. It's called a taper blending brush and it's like a little fluffy brush. And I don't want to use the same colors that I used before, so we're gonna roll with it. I don't know what I'm gonna create. Let's just do it. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up this color right here called Sandcastle. This last one right here called Sandcastle. And it's like a darker brown. I feel like it's almost reddish. Oh no, it is dark. It's a dark brown. Boom. Really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna pick that up. Whoa. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I prepped my lids, obviously. I used the e.l.f. Camel Concealer. I'm scared. Don't be scared. Okay, I'm gonna pick up a different brush. Okay, I'm gonna tap off whatever axis it has. And then I'm just gonna blend this through in circular motion. Here, let me pick up my mirror. Okay, so I'm staring at this palette. I'm like, oh my god, which one should I use next? I decided to go for Umbrella Attitude. This one right here, it's Umbrella Attitude. It's a very shimmery purple, like a deep purple color. I know I've noticed I've been choosing a lot of purple colors lately, and that's okay. I dig the purple. So I'm gonna dip my brush in and look how dark it is. Let me swatch it on my hand so you guys can see it. Look at my finger. It's sparkly, and I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. See how sparkly it is? Okay, I'm gonna use that. It has like a melted ice cream on it. And they're very pigmented, so I'm just tapping it. And if I did too much, I'm tapping off the axis on my napkin here, and I'm just gonna diffuse what I have on my lid already. So I'm not going too far because I am going out. And I know this could be like a night look because I'm picking a lot of dark colors. So I placed it on top of the other one, but I'm gonna go back, place more right about there, because I do want that shimmer to show. I do want that shimmer to show. So I'm gonna pack a little bit more right here on the corner and just blend that out. I am placing it on top of the other color that I used. That's okay. That could be our transition color. And yeah, I purchased this mirror with look at the mirror. Look, it's big. It's as big as my face almost. My face is big. But I decided to purchase this mirror because I need one. I have one already, but it doesn't work out as best as this one. The mirror is actually really small. But anyways, so yeah, it has a little hint of shimmer right here in the corner. That's cool. Okay, so for the next color, I wanted to try out one of these two. They're so beautiful. This one's called Oh Boy, and this one's called Piranha Pretty. I think it's called, yeah, Piranha Pretty. Damn. I'm looking at my eyes like, what should I do? And if it looks harsh, that's okay. We can always get a fluffy brush and diffuse that. I think I'm gonna go in with Oh Boy, the lighter shade of purple. This one right here, just because it's a lighter shade of purple. And I'm gonna go in with this shading brush. Look how beautiful the color is. So just pop it right here. Pick up some more. It's a really true purple. Purple colors are really hard to bring out when you're applying them. There's times where I have to use concealer or like spray it with a Fix Plus. I don't think this one, look, this one doesn't need that. It's very, very pigmented. Pick up some more and this is what I have so far. Okay, so for the next color, I just wanted to give this one a shot, see how it looks. I love brightening the inner corner of my eyes, so I decided to go for Anti-Sunburn, this beautiful color right here. And it looks like nude. Let's see how it looks on my face. Here, I'm gonna swatch it. This is how it looks on my finger, and now I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. See, it's like a nude, and I feel like that'll brighten up the inner corner really nicely. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna place it right about there, and we can always blend it in with the purple. Okay, now to clean up the top of the eye look, I'm gonna get the MAC 224, I think it is. It's just a fluffy brush. It doesn't have anything, like it doesn't have nothing, anything in it, whatever, however you say it. And I'm just gonna buff out all the edges to make sure everything is nice and blended. Okay, so now I'm gonna pick up Sandcastle again, and it's this beautiful color on the corner here. That's the color that I used in the beginning of the video, in the beginning of the eye look, and it was to put it as a transition color. So now I'm gonna use that and like smudge it on my lower lash line. Once that's blended, I'm gonna pick up Umbrella Attitude, and again, it's that beautiful glittery purple, the dark glittery purple. And I'm just gonna very lightly keep it in the corner here. I think I overdid it. I was supposed to do like a nice daytime look. It's cool. It's cool. I'm just blending it in with this tiny little brush. Okay, so I placed a little bit of concealer out here on the outer part of the top of my cheekbones, just to clean up some fallout that I had from one of the shadows. And the concealer I'm using, it's the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Okay, and for my cheeks, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Fearless Coral, this one right here. Okay, everybody, so I have my mascara on. Oh my god, I forgot to put mascara on my bottom lashes. Okay, everybody, so this is my complete finished look. The lip gloss I decided to use with this look today is the Sephora Outrageous number 7, and it has a lip plump effect, so it's starting to tingle. Yeah, so that's the one I use, the Sephora number 7, the lip gloss. I think it goes really well with the eye because the eye is super dark. I didn't want to do any other color because I feel like I did too much on the eyes already. But yeah, I love this look. This is a very beautiful, simple look that you can do for a daytime look, nighttime look. If you want to do a nighttime, you can put more darker colors on. I do want to continue you know, using the other colors, so I will do more videos on that. And thank you guys so much for joining me. This concludes my tutorial. Thank you guys for joining me today for my beautiful makeup look. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell. Share this video with your friends. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on the next video.